not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a stunning bloom with a soft white background, delicate pink lacing, and a gorgeous splash of gold in the center. This technique is all about movement and organic flow. So let's dive right in. Watching the paint move across the surface is so mesmerizing. There's something so calming about this process. I start with a smooth white base, ensuring an even surface for the paint to glide over. I'm very consistent with my paintings, making sure the side of the canvas is covered as well. Next, I carefully layer a puddle of gold, pink, and a touch of white in the center. Now comes my favorite part, blowing out the bloom using an air technique. By directing the airflow just right, the colors expand into a beautiful floral shape. One of the highlights of this piece is the pink lacing that forms as the paint spreads. Lacing happens when paint densities interact, creating delicate, web-like textures that add depth and dimension to the artwork. It's such a fascinating effect, and one of the reasons I love this technique. As the bloom takes shape, the gold shimmer in the center adds just the right amount of contrast and elegance. The movement of the paint creates a soft, airy feel, making this piece truly magical. I'm so happy with how this turned out. What do you see in this bloom? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next fluid art piece. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.